Beauty's main goal is improving upon one's natural look. It doesn't require lots of expensive products or hours of precious time to enhance your natural beauty. You can get started with the tips below. To protect your hair from heat damage, let it air dry as often as possible. The combined heat from the hairdryer, curling iron, and straightening iron can take a major toll on the hair and scalp. If you have to dry it, try to use the dryer on the lowest heat setting. This protects your hair and keeps it silky and soft. When your nail polish starts to thicken up, you can add a few drops of nail polish remover to the bottle to thin it. Shake the bottle well after the addition of the nail polish remover to mix thoroughly and continue your manicure as usual. You should be able to get several more applications from the bottle. Gently brush your lips with a soft toothbrush. This will help you remove dead skin cells from your lips and make them soft. You should then apply Vaseline or another type of lip balm to moisturize your lips and keep them soft. You can do this every day or every other day. You should always have vitamin E on hand. There are so many things you can use it for. Vitamin E is great for keeping skin soft and supple. You can use it on your nails to keep your cuticles looking nice, and it will prevent them from being rough. It's important to use hair products that have heat protectants in them, especially if you use hair dryers or curling irons on a regular basis. Regularly blow drying or curling your hair without such products can cause significant damage. Using heat-activated products will not only protect your hair from the heat, but they also help to keep your hair soft and shiny. Drinking an adequate supply of fresh water each day can improve the appearance of your skin and keep it healthy. Skin can look dull and dry if you don't stay hydrated. You can combat this problem by making sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Try putting some lemon or juice in the water for a better taste. Your skin will be happy when you do this. If you continually get acne only on one side of your face, it could be caused by your cell phone. Make sure you clean your cell phone regularly to remove dirt and oil. You may also want to try switching sides each time you talk on the phone to give the acne-prone side of your face a break. To make red lipstick last longer, apply powder and lip liner to your lips before applying the lipstick. First, powder your lips with your usual face powder. Next, draw a line around your lips and fill them in with a red lip liner. Finally, apply the red lipstick on top of the powder and liner, blotting with a tissue to remove any excess lipstick. Pat moisturizer into your skin instead of rubbing it. Most people rub their moisturizers into their skin. This can actually disperse the moisturizer to different parts of your skin or even remove most of it entirely. Try patting it over your skin instead. Your skin will absorb it more evenly. However, UV rays are also strong in winter, so an SPF of 15 is called for year-round. Skin needs to be protected with sunscreen no matter what time of the year it is. Using these tips will help you improve your natural beauty. Apply this information, and take pleasure and enjoyment in the great results you achieve.